Hey guys, and welcome back to Trading at Home. So today's going to be a really short video. I just have a little bit of an announcement to make. I have decided to take a funding challenge. So the platform that I've chosen is Trader Central, and because it's the cheapest. I was actually just scrolling through Instagram, and then I saw this. I don't know what it was. It was an ad or something like that, and I was like, "What? I've never heard of Trader Central." So I went to their website and I looked at the prices. I'm like, "What?" I'll put a little bit of a price list right here. It is so much more cheaper. For example, if I were to take a 10K challenge for my forex funds, it'd be something upwards of like 3,000, 5,000 rand. But when I kind of try to convert, and I converted the Trader Central money, it was like 800 bucks, 800 rand. And I was like, what? So you're telling me I would have to pay thousands for my forex funds when I could just pay hundreds for Trader Central. So I just went with it. I had a leap of faith and I bought the 10K challenge for about 800 rand, around there. And I'm currently doing it. I started, I believe, on Monday, Tuesday, around there. I'm currently up 4%, but I'll have a whole video showing you the account and how I'm doing, what trades I've taken. We'll get into that. But I just wanted to make a little announcement that your girl has bought a funding challenge, and it's going pretty well so far, if I'm being honest. I've had a few losing trades, a few winning trades, obviously the usual. But yeah, so that's just a little bit of an announcement. I know I did say, like in my previous videos, that I'd wait a couple of months before I went for it, but I felt the need to do it. I looked at the prices, I looked at myself. I'm like, I'm in a completely different space now when it comes to my trading. So I just said, you know what, let's just do it and call it a day. So anyway, that's just a little bit of an announcement on what's currently happening in the next coming days. I'll release a video on how that challenge is going and the usual weekly account updates, because we had a pretty good week today on the market profile strategy. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.